Hello and welcome to one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you 3 slimes, starting with blueberry muffin, and this is a cloud cream, and wow, my goodness me, it smells so good. And this is a brilliant texture. It's brand new to the shop, so look out for it. But if you've ever made muffins, this texture is exactly like that, like muffin dough. And it's got little purple beads in it as well, and they really do look like tiny little blueberries. So this is scented with blueberry muffin. It's got a lovely warm bakery scent, and the texture is, it has some snow in it but not too much, just enough to make it a cloud cream. So this slime is currently available in my shop as 4 ounces, 8 ounces and 12 ounces, so go check it out now. So next up we have Sherbet Dib Dab, and I sell this in an 8-ounce pot. It's available in the shop now, so go check it out, and it's got hollow glitters and little yellow stars scattered on top. And it also comes with this lolly cabochon, or a random one, not the same as this necessarily. And this is a cloud dough, and it smells of sherbet. Oh, it's got 2 halves, lovely yellow and a lovely sort of salmon pink for you to mix yourself. So this is mixed to make a lovely sort of light orange sherbet colour, and it's just wonderful. It goes so well with a sherbet scent, and the texture's to die for. Wow, just lovely. So next up we have Mint Choc Chip, and this is a new recipe with a different glue, and it's super thick. It's great to handle, it's got good poke and click, it's stretchy, and it smells amazing. And this is a super thick slime, so really nice, very dense and super satisfying. So I will be listing this new slime shortly in my shop. Look out for Mint Choc Chip Thicc, spelled T-H-I-C-C. And next up, I'm just going to share my base recipe that is going to await making lots of lovely slimes for the shop. And I do lots of base slime batches and use this for all my recipes. So although I do mix my batches in a freestanding mixer, it's nice to handle the slime, make sure it's a good consistency, and also sometimes to just sort of work through all those little strands that seem to form when you make a slime. Often it feels like a hair is in there, but it's actually sort of polymers joining up in a bond, in a link, one long link, which sounds strange, but that's what polymers want to do. They want to sort of hold hands and make one long line. There's science in there, but don't expect me to explain properly because I'm no expert. But I guess I'm a slime expert because I've been doing this now for over 2 years. Wow, who'd have thought? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!